how to send PDF file through Gmail. This is what you will learn in this video. So open your browser and then open the Gmail. Click onto the compose to start a new email message. Select the person whom you want to send an email. Write the subject. Write the message. And now you need to attach the PDF file with this email. For that you need to come down and see these all icons. From these icons you need to look for the second icon, which is a paperclip shape, and when you will hover on this it will say attach. Click on this and then you need to browse the PDF file which you want to attach. So I'm going to click open, select my PDF file and click open. So the file would start to upload, and once it is done you will get the file name here along with the amount of KBs, that the size of the file. And now you can simply click the send. By the way, there is a mistake in our message which I can correct. The word annual should have been with the capital A, so I can correct that. This is, by the way, a Grammarly extension which is free to use. It can help you to remove the silly grammar, punctuation and spelling related mistakes in your emails. So highly recommended that you download this. I have given the link in the description. From there you can just click and download this extension, and now you can just press the send and the message will be sent. And since I was sending this email to myself, so the message has been received. I can see that the PDF file is also attached, and now I can download and see this PDF.